Okay, I'm going to show you how to do your activities for your independent work. You need to finish your independent work before October 1st. You have 1 week. Tienes que terminarlo en una semana antes del 1 de octubre. So number one, use Quizlet to do your vocabulary slides. Share with me when you're done. So the first thing you need to do is open Quizlet. Just give it a couple minutes. Okay, this is the energy vocabulary words. If you go down, just make sure it says original. It should say it. These are all the words you are going to learn. Open your vocabulary slides. When you do this, you need to make a copy. Click here. Para hacer tu copia, haz un clic aquí. Okay? So these are your vocabulary slides, and we are studying forms of energy and law of conservation of energy by, write your name here. I'm going to write Mr. Erdigan, but you write your name, okay? Whatever it is, Maria Felix, okay? Write whatever your name is. All right, so here are the directions in English and in Spanish. For each word, you need to write a definition. This link takes you here, okay? Translate the definition to your language if you need to. Give an example of the word and insert a picture or a GIF of the word, okay? This tells you how to insert GIFs, and I'll show you too. This is an example of what a finished word looks like. You have the definition. You have the definition translated in your language, Spanish, Bengali, Thai. You have examples of the word, and over here you have a picture or a GIF. So I will do one for you. The first word is scientific model. Go here. Scientific model is here, and right here is the definition. You can copy this, okay, or you can type it. A representation of an object or event that can be studied. If you want, you can click here and it reads the definition for you. Listen.
Scientific model, a representation of an object or event that can be studied.
So you can copy this over here under definition, okay? This is the definition. A representation of an object or event that can be studied. Okay? Now you need to translate this definition if you don't understand. Click here to go to Google Translate. Highlight this. Click on the right, un clic sobre la derecha del ratón. Click on Copy. Go to Google Translate. Right click, un clic sobre la derecha del ratón, and paste. And then you can change it to Spanish, you can change it to Thai, okay? So, una representación de un objeto o evento que se puede estudiar, okay? So, copy translation, copy, and then you can paste it right here. So now you have the definition in English and in your language. An example of a scientific model. Un ejemplo de un modelo científico. I can go back here to the Quizlet and look at the picture. This is a DNA model, right? I can also go to Google and I can type in scientific model examples, okay? And I can look for pictures. I can say a picture of a cell is a scientific model, okay? So you can go look for Google. What is an example of a scientific model? A model about the motions about the sun, earth, and moon. Un modelo que enseña las mociones del sol, la luna, y la tierra. Okay. Models that explain weather. Modelos que explican el clima o el tiempo. Okay. So any one of those. So I'm going to go use this picture and I'm going to say an example of a scientific model is a DNA model. A model of the planets, un modelo de los planetas. And you can say a cell model, okay? Now you want to insert a picture, okay, of a scientific model. You can go to Insert, Image, search the web, and type in scientific model. Okay. Ooh, this is a picture of a scientific model of the Earth's crust. Lo que está dentro de la Tierra, ¿no? So I can make this picture fit into this box. And there you go. I'm finished. Let me show you how to put a GIF like this. Go to Google, okay, and you want to go to Images, Imágenes, type in scientific model, type in the word, and then type in GIF. Okay, you want to look for a picture that is moving, and you have to click on it. So let me choose this one. This is moving. I can use this. This is a model of a tree, right? Can I click on this and use it? I can use this. This is a model. It moves. Okay. Can I click on this? I can use this. Okay. Let me use this. This is a model of the Earth and the Moon. Un modelo de la Tierra y la Luna. So all you have to do is click on the picture, and over here you're going to click on the right. Okay, put the mouse over the picture and click on the right. Haz un clic sobre la derecha del ratón encima del GIF. And then choose this, copy image address. Copy image address. Go back to your slide. Okay, go to Insert Image by URL, and then you want to paste the link you just copied. So right click and paste. Un clic sobre la derecha del ratón y pegar. And look, here's our model GIF. Isn't that cool? And then when you finish, click Insert. And in your slide, now you have a really cool moving picture. Okay, right? If you forget, look over here. This tells you how to do it. How to insert GIFs. Cómo insertar GIFs. First, you find the GIF. Primero hay que encontrar un GIF. Like, let's say I want to choose this one. I like this one. Right click and select copy image address like this. Right click and click on copy image address. And then go to insert image by URL. Okay. Insert image by URL. And then you're going to right click and paste inside. And wow, isn't that cool? So if I wanted to change my mind and use this one, I can delete this. And now I have a scientific model of temperature on the Earth, right? Es un modelo científico que enseña la temperatura de la Tierra. When you finish, go to the next word and do the same thing. Transform. You need the definition. Go down. It's right here. Copy this over here. Go to Google Translate and translate the definition into your language. Okay? So you have to do this for all of these words. Okay? To store, system, create, destroy, the different types of energy. Everything is over here. Okay? Just keep going down. Todo está aquí en esa lista. When you finish, you have to share it with me. This is how you share it with me. You click share. You type in my name, Mr. Ertikin. My name is Mali Ertikin. And then you click send. Okay? That's when you finish, cuando termines. After you finish this, you're going to click here for number 2. Activity 2 is the Edpuzzle video. You need to get 80%. If you don't, you need to watch and do the video again. Tienes que mirar el video, contestar las preguntas y hay que sacar 80% correctas. Si no saca eso, tienes que volver a hacer el video de nuevo. So just click here, open it, push play, and listen to the answers. Okay? Listen for the answers. Escuchen bien el video para las respuestas. Activity 3, answer these questions. Try to get 15 correct. If you don't, do the form again. Contesta esas preguntas. Intenta sacar al menos 15 correctas. Si no, haz el formulario de nuevo. So click here, open it. Write your first and last name and answer each of these questions. Okay? You need to get 15 right. Hay que sacar 15 correctos. And it's in English and Spanish, okay? Todo está en inglés y en español. Okay? This is your independent work for this week. It's due next Friday. You have 1 week. Okay? Tienen una semana. Activity 1 is 60 points. La actividad 1 vale 60 puntos. Activity 2 is 100 points. And activity 3 is 18 points. And remember, your independent work is 50% of your grade, so make sure you do everything. El trabajo independiente vale 50% de tu nota, so haga todo.